Imagine you're stuck in traffic, cars honking, everyone frustrated, and you're barely moving. Now picture this. A brand new superhighway suddenly opens up and cars zoom ahead smoothly. That's what sharding does for blockchains. It clears the jam and gets everyone moving faster. Sounds exciting, right? But here's the problem. Without sharding, blockchain networks like Ethereum are struggling to handle demand. Transaction speeds crawl, fees skyrocket, and innovation slows to a halt. Stick with me for the next 10 minutes and I'll show you how sharding is the game changer that could finally scale blockchains for the masses. Oh, and by the way, ever heard of the term broken chain? No? That's what some networks look like when they don't scale. Let's make sure you don't get caught in one. What is sharding? All right, let's break this down. Sharding sounds fancy, but it's actually a simple concept. Imagine dividing a giant database into smaller, more manageable chunks. Each chunk is called a shard, and instead of every computer on the blockchain processing the same data, each shard processes its own portion. Result? Transactions happen faster, and the network becomes more efficient. Think of it as turning one congested highway into multiple fast lanes. But here's the million-dollar question. If one lane gets clogged, does that mean the whole highway shuts down? Nope. That's the beauty of sharding. We'll get to how it handles disasters in a bit. Why does sharding matter? Okay, here's where things get real. Without sharding, blockchains like Ethereum face three critical issues. 1. Slow transactions. Some networks can only process 10 to 30 transactions per second. Compare that to Visa, which processes 24,000. Yikes. 2. High fees. During peak times, transaction fees can be higher than the value you're sending. Imagine paying $50 to send $20. 3. Limited adoption. If blockchains can't scale, they can't support global adoption. Period. And here's the scary part. If these problems aren't fixed, blockchain technology could end up like a fax machine. Revolutionary at first, but eventually obsolete. So, how does sharding solve this without compromising security? Hang tight, I'll reveal that next. How does sharding work? Think of a blockchain like a book. Without sharding, every computer on the network reads the entire book every single time. With sharding, the book is split into chapters, and different groups of computers read specific chapters. Later, their work is combined to create the full story. This division of labor increases speed and reduces congestion. Plus, even if one shard faces issues, the rest of the network keeps running smoothly. By the way, how many of you actually read the terms and conditions on apps? Yeah, me neither. Sharding's kind of like skipping to the part that matters most. Now you might be wondering, is anyone actually using sharding? The answer is yes. 1. Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum is rolling out sharding as part of its roadmap to scale and lower gas fees. 2. Zilliqa, a blockchain built with sharding from the ground up. It's already proving how effective this technology can be. Sharding is no longer just a theory. It's being implemented, and it's working. This could be the key to unlocking a world where blockchains support millions of users without breaking a sweat. Quick pause. If you're finding this helpful, hit that subscribe button and join the Crypstick Academy community. We're building a future where crypto knowledge is accessible to everyone. But wait, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Sharding also comes with challenges. 1. Complex implementation. Dividing a blockchain into shards without compromising security is tricky. It's like performing open-heart surgery on a network that's still running. 2. Inter-shard communication. Shards need to communicate seamlessly. Otherwise, you risk data silos. However, these challenges are being tackled by some of the brightest minds in crypto. And when they're solved, we're talking about a blockchain revolution. So, does this mean sharding is the ultimate solution? Or could there be something even better on the horizon? Stay with me. We're almost there. To sum it up, sharding is the blockchain world's answer to scaling. By dividing the workload, it boosts speed, reduces fees, and paves the way for global adoption. It's not perfect, but it's a monumental step in the right direction. And here's the thing, understanding concepts like sharding gives you a huge edge in the crypto space. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be to navigate this exciting yet complex world. Speaking of understanding, if you're still wrapping your head around how blockchains actually work, don't miss my video. It's the perfect follow-up to deepen your knowledge. Click here. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Crypstick Academy for more crypto guides and master crypto together.